Hey guys, hi, my name is Damaris, or you can call me Dama, everyone calls me Dama. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I do my makeup. I really don't know how to do makeup, but I try to use drugstore products just because right now I can afford a lot. As you probably saw in my previous video, if you did see it, if you didn't see it, go look at it. I talk about a few products that I use. Actually, I'm going to be using some of those same products, but I'm actually going to apply it to my face. So hopefully it goes well. And as you can tell, I'm breaking out really bad. Sucks, but I'm grateful that it isn't super bad. If you guys want to see how my skin used to look before it was really bad, then give it a like and comment down below. Alright, well, let's get right into the video. I'm starting off with putting some chapstick on my lips just because my lips get very chapped. Next, I'm going in with the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser and just putting it all over my face. And just heads up, throughout this whole video, you're going to be seeing me jam to some reggaeton because your girl loves reggaeton. So if you see that, then you know what I'm doing. Like right there, I'm jamming to some Bad Bunny right there. I have a bad habit of not cleaning my beauty blenders, so I'm gonna go clean it real quick. Today I'm going to be using two kinds of foundations. One is the Infallible Pro Matte by L'Oreal. I use a little bit of that, and then the Matte and Poreless by Maybelline. I tend to put just a little squeeze of the L'Oreal and a little bit more of the Poreless and Matte by Maybelline, just because I feel like that's kind of a good mix for my skin. And there, I'm just dabbing it all over my face. I'm trying to seem like I know what I'm doing, but I really don't. Also, throughout this whole video, you're going to be seeing me kind of act funny, like there you go, I'm acting super funny. That's just me trying to be silly and entertain myself while doing my makeup, so sorry if you don't enjoy seeing my silliness. And there I'm just dabbing, jamming. There you go. Oh yeah. Great, next I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I usually put this concealer near my mouth area and obviously on my pimples since I'm breaking out a lot lately. And I also put some under my eyes and between my eyebrows just to give myself a little like oomph. Next, I'll be just blending in everything and I'll be fast forwarding this part. Next, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever palette and these brushes to apply some eyeshadow on my face. This gold eyeshadow and just placing it all over my lid. Like I said, I'm not a very makeup person, but this is what I do. I'm just applying it all over my lid, making sure it's dispersed appropriately throughout the lid. Next, I'll be going in with this Wet and Wild palette. I love this palette. It has very, very nice colors. Ooh, can't open it. Yikes. But I'll be using this. I really like that color that I'm using. I feel like it makes my skin color, I don't know, it just makes it look good. Next, I'm going to be using this contouring stick from Wet and Wild. I really like Wet and Wild because they have very pretty good products for a very reasonable price, and I usually don't contour my nose, but today I guess I decided to do it. I'm just dabbing to kind of disperse the contour all over my cheekbone area. Next, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. I just put that under my under eyes to bake. I usually do not do this step often, but today I guess I decided to go all out. Okay, so these next items are what I'm going to be using for my eyes and for my eyebrows. As you can tell, my eyebrows are kind of arched already, so I guess I was blessed with that. Here I'm just combing my eyes out. Yeah, of course, I'm combing my eyes out. I mean my eyebrows out. And I'm just going to be filling them in oh so slightly. Oh, and let me tell you, every single time I do my eyebrows, they come out so different. So I'm still learning how to do them. Funny story, I work with probationary youth, and obviously since I can't do my eyebrows for my life, I mean, a lot of them notice. They say, "Miss Dama, why are your eyebrows different today? Why are they so thick today? Why are they so thin today?" And let me tell you, that embarrasses me so much. So I'm still trying to learn how to make my eyebrows look more consistent. The next step is I'm going to contour, and I'll be using this Bikini Contest Contour de Bikinis. Lots of bikinis in this name. But anyways, it's from Wet and Wild, and I'm pretty sure I'm using some kind of stippling brush from Wet and Wild as well. Or e.l.f. I think it's e.l.f. Never mind, it's e.l.f. I also used the Milani Baked Bronzer just to, add a little bit more color to my face. Then I'll be going in with this Elle blush. After I'm done putting some blush on me, I used a Wet n Wild highlight just to, you know, have a little bling bling on my face. I put it on the corners of my eyes, and I also put it on my nose and sometimes my cupid's bow. And sorry if I sound way different than from the beginning. I just got really sick, and today's kind of my day off, and I decided that I wanted to finish this video today. Then to finish off the face, I'm going to be adding a Revlon Photo Ready setting spray. Sometimes it burns. I still don't know what the cause is of the burn, but there's other times that it doesn't burn, so I'm still trying to figure that out. Next, I'm going over my lips, or lining my lips with this Wet n Wild liner. I really like liners because I feel like you can kind of manipulate the size of your lips. So if you have small lips, go ahead and line away. After that, I'm going in with this L'Oreal Infallible Paints Mats. Let me tell you, I love this lipstick, or this lip matte thing, whatever it's called. It just feels so nice on your skin. It's not drying. It feels really good. So if you could afford to pay maybe like, I think I paid like $6 for this, go ahead and try it out. It's actually really well, and it just looks really pretty, and it makes you look more elegant, I think. Oh, and I can't forget about mascara. I need the mascara in my eyes. Alright, well that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I know I don't know a whole lot about makeup, but I mean, let's learn together, right? Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and until my next video.